Hi, empaths. Welcome back. Deborah here with your weekly intuitive message for the week of June the 8th to the 16th. Thanks so much for tuning into my channel today. I really enjoy doing these videos for you. So if there's anything that you have been really struggling with, or even some questions that you'd like answers to, questions about your spirituality or about the new age, or anything at all regarding your self-development, leave me a note in the comments. I'd really like to be able to help you. As you know, I'm not really a YouTuber. That's not my thing. I was in education for more than 20 years. I just really enjoy spending time with you and sharing the information that I have gained over the last 2 decades since my spiritual awakening. So please do leave me a comment. I'm here at your service, and I do love making these videos for you. So thanks again for coming back. Okay, so just settling in, being really present before we begin. Okay, feeling yourself sitting in the chair, your feet flat on the ground. Feeling your hands resting in your lap. Okay, let's get that wing spot activated, the back of the heart chakra. Do a few shoulder shrugs, getting our angel wings loosened up, activating. Okay. Right. Just opening up the back of the head, there, the back of the heart chakra. There we go. Okay. Slow and gentle. That is the visual that I was given for the theme of the week ahead, is like a gentle rain coming over you. A gentle cleansing. Okay, so what I'm sensing is that for many of you, you might be going through a period where you feel overwhelmed with emotion. Suddenly, you might suddenly start to kind of break out in tears or get misty-eyed, or feeling overwhelming feelings in the heart, an overflowing sensation. Okay, this is all just a buildup of stagnant energies, of denser energies that are coming to the surface now, or that just may be too many in your field. So a gentle cleansing rain is what is required. And that's what I am producing right now for you as we begin here. Let me just check my volume. Being present, being aware of your surroundings and of yourself, not trying to leave and go into the Netherlands, not trying to leave your body, okay, not going out into the astrals, getting out of our heads, out of the mental plane, more focused in our physical vessel. Good. Being very aware of the space that you occupy on this dense plane. This is also where, more of your higher dimensional self is now coming into this body, into this reality. So you want to be focused here, not out there. Okay. And just going inwards now, dropping into the heart. Okay, so the idea is to open up for yourself, for your highest good, okay? Meaning, ask yourself, what do I need to know right now for my highest good? You ask the question, then you let go. And I want you all to try to just drop into the heart to listen for that answer. Okay, you're not making up an answer, you're not reaching for one, you're just going to wait until one comes to you. Feeling the sensation in your chest. You might be concentrating on your breathing or feeling your blood pulsing in your body, something physical to anchor you in. Allow those tears to gently flow if they're coming to the surface now, to be washed away. Remembering that whatever is coming up is what is departing. You're letting go. How can I make this week easier for myself? You can ask that question now. What do I need to know for the week ahead? You could ask that question. Focusing on the heart area, feeling your hands, feeling your feet. What's coming up for you right now? For those of you who are visual, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene lake, the surface of which is like glass or a mirror. Peering into the surface of the lake, what do you see? What is the message for you for the week ahead? What do I need to know? Ask yourself. How can I make things easier for me for the week ahead? Ask yourself. I'm getting a message of slowing down, of trying to achieve less in the day, not being so frantic and hectic. Slow. Stop and smell the roses. Stop to help your neighbor, people in your community. Whether that be to stop for a few minutes for snippets of conversation, to be a listening ear, or a smile that someone needs that day, or help crossing the road, or help someone carry their bags to their car, whatever it is. That is going to activate you at a higher frequency, helping another person. You will feel the connection with them, and that instantly raises your frequency and brings you into another level of reality, actually, governed by the portal, the heart portal. For those of you who are more auditory, it's dropping into the heart. What has your heart got to say to you? Or what has the wind got to tell you? As you ask yourself, what do I need to know for the week ahead? How can I make things easier for me for the week ahead? Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop comparing yourself to the person you were before you awakened. In fact, we are reborn so often. If you think about it, how many times has your life changed profoundly in the last 10, 15, or 20 years? Every time we have a major change in our world, in our lifetime, it is like a rebirth. You can't be comparing yourself to who you were when you are rebirthing yourself. You're becoming a new person, or you're entering a whole new phase. Okay, the butterfly coming out of the cocoon is far from being a caterpillar. It's like apples and oranges. So give yourself a break here. Stop being so judgmental. You might not be able to do as much as before. You might not be able to communicate in the same way. You might not like the same things. You might not be drawn or attracted to the same things or find sustenance in the same things. It's okay. Allow the dead wood to fall so that new things can spring and sprout. Very good. You're doing great. There might be a few tears there. I feel a lot of emotion in the space, in the group. Just giving some space here for some more messages to come in. Concentrating again in your body, in your chest. That's a great area to focus on. Feeling your heartbeat or the blood pulsing. Feeling your hands in your lap. What do I need to know for the week ahead? How can I make things easier for me for the week ahead? The information, if you're claircognizant, can be at the very periphery, the very edges of your awareness, and you have to wait for it to get closer. So sometimes what I do is I focus on the periphery of my energy field. Okay, so however many meters that is for you, you can send your feelers out and try to capture almost like a silhouette of a photograph. You're not going to have a full image yet, but sense the edges of something. See if you can pick up where there is information for you, like a data packet, a light packet where there's a charge. Focus on it. Ask for it to open. What do you need to know? You might get a symbol. You might get just a knowing that it's time to fly. It's time for the butterfly to fly. And for that, sometimes we have to shed a few tears over the things that we let go of. We allow the gentle rain to wash over us as we transmute patterns, behaviors that no longer serve us, that we don't need to hold on to, perhaps because they were never ours to begin with, but we latched onto them for some reason. Good. Anchoring down now, focusing on the bottom part of your body, focusing on the trunk of your body. Seated in your chair, feel contact with the floor or the chair. Anchor in. Good. Okay, touch those wingtips up. Right. And good. Coming back into center, into your chest area here. Bring your awareness there. You can also bring your awareness to your third eye area. It's a good place to anchor in as we close down now. Okay, so the message this week was for gentle cleansing. So I do feel that there will be opportunities to let go and to clear out some things. Some healing energies are available. They're very fine. This will not be a strong purge, I don't believe, over the week coming. It's more very, very fine, like a mist. Like feeling a mist over your face. A gentle cleansing. Allowing yourself to gently transform. That's the butterfly flying away from the cocoon now. So just being gentle with yourself over the next week. All the little messages there and whatever else you received from your own higher dimensional self. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to talking to you again next week. Take care now.